run my life, now you won't get me down. Untamed, yes, I
But his teammates have rotated away, so he tried to solo fake, as now they'll rush it inside the B site. Crims is going to rotate around from the vents, though. He's already got two, one on Nitro in middle, and a second one on that rotate on AZK, so Adren's all by himself now. He does pick up that AWP. He does have the bomb, and he's going to Molotov off on the vents. He knows, though, that he's still got issues at B-Main, and there he's going to get JW, so good awareness as he rotates around, and he's still got a bit of an opportunity to get back into this round as they waited out in vents, but now they're going to come through as that Molotov has gone away. He knows they're there. He peeks out, can't get the first shot, although he does hit a huge shot on Crims up close, so now it's a 1-0. Unbelievable. The player who I've been calling out for not exactly pulling his weight comes through in an absolutely pivotal moment right there. Highlight stuff from Adren, and that's going to give them one more round. They're stealing victory from the jaws of defeat right now.